Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this beautiful dip powder nail design using Revel nail dip powder. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cherael, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So the products I'll be using today are Revel nail dip powder known as Charged, Pro Dip clear dip powder, Activator, and these dried flowers that I got from Amazon, and also this green glitter. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. Now I apply one layer of clear acrylic powder to my nails. This is done to build the nail as well as to protect my nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Then I'm applying activator to my middle and ring nail and allowing it to dry. Those are going to be my clear nails. As you may probably be seeing, my nails are a bit long under these clear tips. I would advise that you cut them short so that it wouldn't be seen, but I wanted my nails long because I'll be doing another design that requires it to have some length. It did show under the clear nails a bit, but I didn't mind because I wasn't keeping this set on for long. But if you are keeping your set on for long, I would advise that you cut your nails. So I did the green nails first. I did it on the index, pinky, and thumbnail. I did 3 layers on each finger. This dip powder is really nice and pigmented, so that's why I chose to do them first so that the clear wouldn't get contaminated. So I wanted to get those done first before starting on the clear nails. These nails came out really nice. However, the intro that I did wasn't a good representation of how nice they came out. I don't know what is wrong with my camera. I think I need to purchase a new one someday soon. But they really did come out nice, and I found it looked kind of dull in the intro, but it really isn't dull. It's very shiny in person. I don't know what happened to my camera, but yeah, it was not looking good in the intro. Not as good as I know it should look, you know. Yeah, so I just thought I'd let you guys know. I see what you see, you know. I really do, but can't do nothing about it now. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So now onto the middle nail, I'm applying some base and then I'm applying my green dried flowers to my nails. I also applied some smaller flowers to my nails as well. Now I pour some activator in a container. A little goes a long way, so don't waste it. And then using my acrylic brush, I apply it to the activator and then to the loose glitter. Then I apply it to my ring finger to make an ombre, a glitter ombre. This glitter is not dip powder glitter, it's a craft store glitter, and it doesn't have any clear powder in it, so the brush is really just picking up the glitter. No bead is being formed in any way. The nail came out nice, aside from the fact that you could see my nail under the clear area there. Then I applied some of the glitter on the middle nail, just to let it pop a little. Then I encapsulated the two clear nails first. So I'm just applying the base to my nails, and then I would pour some of the clear dip powder on my nails. I did a few layers, but I'll only be showing you 2 layers. So after I dust off the excess, I apply some activator. This would ensure that the nails remain clear or as clear as possible with little to no bubbles. And please ensure that you let the activator dry before applying the base brush to that nail, because when base gets into contact with activator, it hardens the brush. So make sure you let the activator dry. Then I encapsulated the rest of the nails. I think I did about 2 layers or 3 on the rest of the nails, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator to all of the nails, waited for it to harden, then I began filing. So this is after filing of the nails, and now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply the powder top coat or gel top coat, and I chose gel top coat. Now if you wanted to apply the powder top coat, you would apply some activator, wait a while, apply 1 layer of top coat with about 3 quick strokes, then wait about 1 minute and then apply another layer of top coat with slow and nice strokes. However, since I'm using gel polish, I don't have to apply activator. I just go right in with the top coat and I cured for 60 seconds. I don't know if you all can see my nail in the ring finger there, my natural nail poking out right there. Yeah, it shows that the nails are clear. That's the upside to it. It's just that I didn't want to cut my nails to do this design, Yeah. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!